What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Did you see the title? Did you see the thumbnail? 1.2 million miles on a $175 Copart Chevy Malibu, 2002 Malibu. Now, I gotta be upfront with you. This isn't my Malibu. TK from Total Tech bought this Malibu, and I thought he was crazy. I was like, I wouldn't even have bid on it, but he bought it, and we got it today. He actually, TK had to go, TK from TK's Garage and Tommy Kelly on YouTube, he had to take off to Nevada, and he's in Las Vegas, and he won the car like literally the day after he left for Las Vegas. So he was like, dude, can you go get the car for me? And of course, I'm like, yeah, man. So before we go and check that out, take a look. I know a lot of you missed out on the night video because I didn't post it. I totally forgot to post that up. So I wanted to give you just kind of like a little preview of what this looks like. We'll probably maybe do one more video on this truck, maybe one more video on this truck when it's really dark out, so you can really get an idea. People said this is like one of those bro dozers. It's a pavement princess. Let me tell you something. I don't know if you can see how dirty this thing is. Look at this. Look at the wheels, man. Oh, you can't see because of the neon lights. I have had this bad boy off-road all over the rocks. We've been having some fun with this truck, let me tell you. But now we got to go over there and show you the Chevy Malibu. So here she is, boys and girls, a 2002 Chevy Malibu that was listed with over 1.2 million miles on the clock. And the only thing that's wrong with it, we haven't really figured that out yet. We haven't figured out exactly what happened to it. It kind of looks like it took a hit right here, doesn't it? That's what I was thinking. I was thinking, is it kind of look like it took a hit right here, but I don't see any metal that's misshapen or damaged. Now you can see that whatever hit just above the exhaust right here. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe the trunk pan was pushed in just a hair right there. It had to be, almost. But I mean, it doesn't look bad at all, guys. Like, this is something you could put a bumper cover back over. Excuse me. Put a bumper cover back over this and call it a day. It's just a bumper. And maybe you need to pull, now that it's, I don't know why, in the daytime I didn't see it, but now it's getting darker. It looks like that was bent in just a hair. That can be pulled back out. You can put a bumper cover over this and you could be done with it. The car actually looks really, really good. Wait till you see the interior. Okay, now you've seen all around it. Take a look at the inside of this sucker. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the headliner. And it smells like a new car. I don't know how. I've never seen a Chevy Malibu that held up this well. Not ever. Clear coat flaking on the hood right here and right there. It's hard to see on camera, but only on the hood in these few places. The rest of the car has great paint. And now for the moment of truth. Does it run? It's listed as a run and drive. Does a 1.2 million mile Malibu actually run and drive? Fired right up. Fired right right up. Does the important window work? Yes, it does. The sun visor here is trashed. The driver's seat up and down motors don't work, and the glove box, oh, never mind, the glove box actually looks okay. I thought the glove box was broken. Probably turn this on heat. We have a check engine light, and that's it. Oh, 129,260. Okay. Yeah. So the odometer is 129,260, not 1.2 million miles. It's 129,260. Somebody entered a wrong number. Does it drive? Let's take it for a spin. All right, here we go. Dun 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 dun. Oh man. So even with the check engine light on, this thing runs absolutely perfect. And it feels like it's got new shocks and struts too. There's no way at 130,000 miles these shocks are still original. What a steal, man. Crazy. $175 car came out to $355 out the door. This is insane. Air conditioning work, windows work, lights, signals, brakes are smooth as butter. Steering wheel is nice and straight. This thing is in exceptional condition. I should have bid on it. I really should have. I should have bid on it. This one, it just needs a bumper cover. A bumper cover, a driver's seat that works in all directions, and a sun visor. And that's it. Like, of course, we could run the codes. I might run the codes to see if it's, I mean, I doubt it's going to be anything serious. The car runs too damn good for there to be anything seriously wrong with it. We can run the codes, find out why the check engine light's on. Comment below, would you have paid $355 out the door, total, fees and everything included, for this 2002 Chevy Malibu, or would you have passed on it yourself? Look, here we go. Let's, ooh, torque steer. Oh man, I forgot how peppy the little 3400 engines were. They're torquey little motors. This is a great little car. All right, boys and girls, that's enough horsing around. Let's get back to the house, run a diagnostic, figure out why the check engine light's on, and then we're gonna load it up on a trailer with the Black Widow. We're gonna tow it down to the house that will be the future car lot, known as AAR Auto Sales. That's right, I reserved the name AAR Auto Sales with the state. I've created the LLC. I've got my insurance already set up, just waiting for the initial payment. Got to get my bonds, got to get the county commissioners to sign off, and we are well on our way to having us a little dealership down in the middle of nowhere. All right, so we've got the Autel MaxiSys Elite, and let's back up. Let's look at diagnostic trouble codes. It says there's only one code. Let's find out what it is. So P0420 is a catalytic converter issue. Catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. So that is not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the trouble codes, but chances are it's going to come back. All that means is that one of the catalytic converters is no longer functioning at optimal performance, and it's gonna need to be replaced at some point. No fault codes detected, and you can see the check engine light is off, and all we can do now is just give it some time, see if it comes back on. All right, boys and girls, it is time to get on the road. I'm gonna have to go to the doctor today. I've been putting it off, but I've been sick for a month. My fever was 102 last night. I felt like I was dying, and today my fever is still 101. So we're gonna have to get this car down to the house, and then I'm gonna have to go to the doctor, man. I can't keep doing this. I'm sick as a dog. All right, boys, we made it. Man, it's a long drive out here. This little dolly, man, it really tows cars great. She's a solid little I won't call it a trailer. Too many of you got offended over that, but it's a solid little dolly, man. It tows like there's really nothing behind it. So I guess now we'll get this car off, get it moved over. I'm probably gonna leave the dolly down here. I don't want to carry it back to the house. So we'll get everything situated out here, and then I'll take you inside, take a quick look at the house, and see if we got any updates to show you. All right, we got the trailer dropped off, locked it up. We got the car dropped off. Now Let's go take a look inside the house and see if anything's changed since the last time I showed you guys what it looked like. Oh, all right. Got some Amazon packages. Thankfully, I've got good neighbors to help keep an eye on the place. We still got a lot to do, guys. We got to install the ceiling fans. There's so much left to do. I got to take that wet vac shop vac back with me. Looks like we got the toilet back in. And we got the new vanity in. Good, good, good. Let's take a look at the other room. Okay, we got the new vanity in here. The new lights. The toilet. Toilet got a little chip taken out of it. And that is not bolted down securely at all. So that's still got to be done. Did we get the drain hooked up in here? Nope, we did not. Wow. So in other words, nothing has been done in the last couple weeks. Good to know. All right, so we're done at the house. Not really much I can do here now. So I guess it's time we go to the doctor, see what kind of prescriptions they're gonna give me, which should be fun because I don't have any health insurance. So let's find out what this is gonna cost. All right, we are finally here. Thankfully. Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody here.
Head east on Southwest 72nd Street,
Boy.
Village South Drive.
Hope he's open.
Turn left onto Southwestern Avenue.
Because I need a doctor.
1,000 feet, make a U-turn.
So that wasn't too bad. It was only $65 to get into my doctor. I haven't seen this guy in probably 2 to 3 years. I don't go to the doctor, so when I do come, something's really wrong with me. So I guess we'll get checked out, see what he thinks is going on, see what the prescriptions are going to cost, and we'll be back, and then we're going to conclude this video. All right, so to conclude the video, my doctor said I should have come in a long time ago. He said I really waited too long on this. I have a severe case of bronchitis, particularly bad in my left lung. It's the day after I went to the doctor, by the way. He prescribed me 5 days, or I think, of Z-Pak. Prednisone, 20 milligram, one in the morning, one at night. And some cough syrup. It's actually not working. He said if this gets any worse, I'm gonna have to get in for a chest x-ray. He's concerned this could be pneumonia. And this sucks because I have a ton of work sitting out there in the driveway to get done. And I can't do it. I can barely get out. I can barely get out of bed. I can barely make a video. And no work means no money. So this is the part of having a YouTube channel that really sucks. When you're not prepared for something like this, you could be out of work a week, 2, 3. God forbid you end up hospitalized. I can't even make this video. So, wish me luck. Good wishes are always welcome. I'm supposed to go out with Monkey Wrench Mike tomorrow to LKQ and grab some parts for my BMW, some parts for something he's got upcoming on his channel. Him and I are supposed to do a fuel pump on a car, or 2 fuel pumps actually, on this Mercedes out here. And I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it because I can't stop coughing long enough to record a video. Gotta love it, man. With that, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there, everybody. I'll catch you all very soon in the next one.